How to find list intersection. Actual output, 1, 3, 5, 6, expected output, 1, 3, 5. How can we achieve a Boolean in operation, list intersection, on two lists?
If order is not important and you don't need to worry about duplicates, then you can use set intersection.
Using list comprehensions is a pretty obvious one for me. Not sure about performance, but at least things stay in lists. Or all the x values that are in A, if the x value is in B. If you convert the larger of the two lists into a set, you can get the intersection of that set with any iterable using intersection.
Make a set out of the larger one. Then, we'll do what you want, preserving B's ordering, not A's, can't necessarily preserve both, and do it fast. Using if x in A as the condition in the list comprehension would also work, and avoid the need to build _alt set, but unfortunately for lists of substantial length it would be a lot slower. If you want the result to be sorted, rather than preserve either list's ordering, an even neater way might be.
If you want to share more, please consider subscribing.